What's the meaning of arcana? Arcana. Arcana.
Arcana. Arcana. Arcana refers to secrets or mysteries, often associated with the occult or esoteric knowledge. The term comes from the Latin word arcanus, meaning secret or hidden. In modern usage, arcana can also refer to specialized knowledge or information that is not widely understood or accessible. It is often associated with topics such as tarot and astrology. The concept of arcana implies a sense of exclusivity and hidden knowledge, which can be both alluring and mysterious. Overall, arcana refers to knowledge that is difficult to access or understand, often shrouded in secrecy or mystique.